Hi YouTube, I wanted to remake this little video. I have a DIY device. It's a solar phone charger. You can also charge batteries in here. Let me take that off. Two AA batteries. And right there is a little diode. You probably can't see it. It's a little diode. But the black part is on the positive side of the solar panel. There's a diode, and the black part, the black line on the diode, is going away from the solar panel. Remember, the black line has to go away. What the diode does is keep electricity from traveling back through to the solar panel. So all the electricity that comes through goes to the batteries. And that's the little solar panel. I got this little panel at the Dollar Tree for $1. And this little charger, battery charger, phone charger for $1. So that's $2. And you can charge your batteries also. So it's a 2-in-1 deal. And now let's plug it in. There's my phone. It's all ready to be plugged in. Let me see if I can do this one hand. And there it is. It's charging. Now, with these little devices, you can charge old batteries up. They're not going to get too hot with this little device here. It's not a lot of electricity. Still charging. But yeah, you can take these little solar panels and hook them up to just about any device, but I like this idea in case, like, it'd be good for camping. All you need is daylight, and if your phone went dead, you could charge it up and call whoever. These are real nice to have. These little deal right here. But I just wanted to clarify that this little bit further. But cheers, everybody. I hope y'all subscribe. I don't have any subscribers, so feel sorry for me and subscribe. Bye-bye.